Alright, so just wanted to show you a few things here. So we got the fuel rail out. Here's the injectors. They have clips on them, and they go on like this. If you can see, they go on like this. So we want to go ahead and take these out. I already drained the gas out. The easiest way to drain the gas out, tip the back of the fuel rail like this. You can tip the back of it, pop these two fuel injectors out right here at the front. Make sure it's the same side as the fitting here. Pop those out like this, both sides, and then just dump it in a bucket or something, and then you could dispose of it properly. But yeah, where we can do it, so I take a flathead, go around the side right here of the clip. Side of the clip, and then just walk it around like that. Make sure you keep track of those. That one just flew about 10 feet, so we'll slowly get these out like that. Get that clip. Set these aside. I'll move to the next one. I'm gonna hold on to them really tight. Like that. Just like that. Came right out. So they look alright in there. I still have a little bit of grease on it from when I put them in. We'll just stick a finger in the hole and make sure it's cleaned out. So we got our new fuel injectors. We'll compare the two like that. So let's see here. So they are a little longer than the factory. They're a little longer than the factory. If you could see them. One's a little longer. Hopefully it won't affect anything. They said it's a drop-in fuel injector, so you know, I guess we'll see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lube up this O-ring right here with some grease, just a little bit. You don't need much. And I'll stick them in side here. Okay, that one's in. We can get the clips on now. So, like we took them off before, you can put them on this way. Let me get a towel to wipe my hands off. Alright. There we go. So, yep, There it is, locked in place. We'll do the next one. In this box, if you can see. We'll slide this next one on like this, go in the grooves like that. May have to use your flathead to work the clip around like that. Nice and tight on there. We'll do it with this one as well. Take it, go like that. Locked in place. And go to the next one. Alright, clean this around here. This. Work it back and forth, and it's clipped in nice and tight now. We'll go ahead and get some grease on this. Like so, you only need a little bit. And we'll put it in the truck. Put grease on this. O-ring here. Alrighty. So, get that set. Wipe my fingers off. We'll go ahead and get this in the truck.